say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life.